Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about how to manually import transactions in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so as we know, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is to start by logging into our Wave account, and once we're logged in, next is to go to accounting and then transactions. Now we're going to click the upload a bank statement button that's in the top right, and then just choose your bank file, which of course must be in file format CSV, OFX, or QBO. And then we're going to upload the file and map the columns correctly. We got to make sure the date, description, and amounts are matched accurately. Once uploaded, transactions will appear in the transactions list, and you can review and categorize each transactions accordingly. And that's how to manually import transactions. It's a handy option for banks not integrated with Wave. So if your bank isn't integrated with Wave, you don't gotta worry, you can still manually import your transactions. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.